The alpha setting is found within the built-ins window within the container plugins and the global folder. And it's the first function here within the container plugins global folder. And the way the alpha works is that we just need to slide it up onto a container that we wanted to affect it. Now, the alpha in Vizrt is like the opacity or transparency, as you might know it in other programs. So when we drop the alpha onto a container and click on the alpha function, the only parameter we have within its properties here is this numerical value. And you can see that we dropped the alpha right on this image, and if I come over and adjust the alpha down to 0, it will take the opacity of that image down to 0. Now you can keyframe this if you want, if you just want a fade up. So you can come here at 0 and set a keyframe and increase that up to 100 and then set a keyframe. And now you just basically created a fade animation. So the alpha pretty much works the same for no matter what type of container you're dropping it on. We dropped it on an image. We can use it on an image. We can drop it on a font here. So here you can see we have just the font with the alpha on it, and we can come over here and adjust the alpha on the font, and it lowers the transparency or opacity on it. Same thing with a 3D object. So if we have a 3D object and we want to lower the opacity of that as well, we can use the alpha. And instead of dragging it from the built-ins window, if you already have it on a container, you can just copy it down from another container and use it that way as well. So you can adjust it on a 3D object as well. Now the alpha doesn't just need to be dropped on each individual container unless you want that container to be affected individually. So for instance, if we just wanted to lower all 3 of these together, we have all 3 of them not hidden, but if we wanted to drop it on the topmost group and lower the opacity for all 3 of them, we could just have the alpha on there, and then it affects all 3 of them below that.